Guys, we just made it here with the newlyweds, Clark and Elise, after an epic weekend in Cancun, and now we're doing a little exploring right near Tulum and starting out with the cenotes. Specifically, this one is
Dos Ojos.
Dos Ojos. So it's apparently one of the best ones around here. So guys, we are about to go ahead and start our tour. There's two ways to visit these cenotes over here though. You can come here and pay, I believe it's 350 Mexican pesos, and then you're able to just go to some of the open areas to snorkel around the cenotes here. Or you can pay 600 pesos, and that's per person, and then you have a guide with a group between like 6 to 10 people who will basically take you into some of the areas that are a little bit more like dangerous to go on your own, and they'll basically lead you through and kind of give you more of a tour for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Also included in the tour is a snorkel mask. You have the option to put a wetsuit on. None of the people we were in the group with did a wetsuit. The water's like about 75 degrees, so it's pretty refreshing, a little bit chilly after a bit, but when you're swimming around, it doesn't feel as cold as it is. And also that 600 pesos will include a locker to lock up any of your belongings. Make sure to bring a GoPro. You don't want to bring like your phone in there because you're going to be swimming around constantly, and that way the GoPro can go underwater, get you all the photos, videos you want to go ahead and capture and post later. And the last thing, I didn't mention this, they give you a flashlight as well since it's pretty dark. I mean, it's inside the caves here, so you can have the flashlight to go ahead and see around under there. It's pretty cool, but we're so excited to head on in there. Got the beast live walking towards the cenote.
Oh yeah.
Leave here all your shoes, your sandals.
So guys, we just finished up an epic snorkel trip. It was totally worth it signing up for the guide and going through like all the different caves. At the very end, we snorkeled like under kind of a little scary area to find this like secret cave, but it's not so secret anymore, that was loaded with like these like 6 months to 12-month-old bats. Clark almost got attacked a couple times, so beast, absolute beast.
Gotta do it.
What'd you guys think? Did you like it?
Oh yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
That cave.
Highly recommended. So guys, that wraps up the video. Visiting the cenotes, definitely come and check these places out. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.